In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Skrill to your Shopify store in 2025 with this step-by-step tutorial. Let's dive straight into the process, which is quite simple once you know where to click. First, you need to ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're all set, navigate to your main dashboard, which you can access by clicking on My Store and then Home in the Shopify interface. The dashboard is your central hub for managing your online store, so getting comfortable with this space will make things much easier. Next, you'll need to head over to the Settings section. Here, you'll find a list of options that allow you to configure how your store functions. What we're interested in today is the Payments section, which is where you'll manage all the payment gateways available to your customers. Click on Payments to proceed. Now that you're on the Payments page, look for the option that says Add Payment Method. This button is your entry point to setting up a variety of ways for your store to accept payments, one of which will be Skrill. Click on Add Payment Method, and you'll see a host of different providers that Shopify integrates with. With that, draw your attention to the Search by Provider feature. This is a helpful tool because it narrows down the long list of payment options to exactly what you need. Click on Search by Provider and you'll see a search bar. In the search bar, type in Skrill. This will filter the results so that you directly see the option to integrate with Skrill. It's a straightforward way to find Skrill as a payment provider. Once Skrill appears in your search results, click to add it to your list of payment methods. And there you go! You have successfully added Skrill to your Shopify store. Now your customers can enjoy the convenience of using Skrill when checking out, and you can benefit from broadening your payment options. Remember, integrating multiple payment methods on your store can lead to a smoother transaction process and potentially increase your sales as you cater to a broad audience with varied payment preferences. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling!